Hi, my name is Nataly Gonzalez. I'm excited to share this video as a part of my English 2 class. This time I'm going to describe the next picture. Firstly, there is a lovely family with a mother, a father, a son, and a daughter. We see that the mother is wearing a yellow sweater, a blue pants, and she's wearing sneakers too. And the father is wearing a green t-shirt and brown pants. While the son has a red hoodie, a green bag, blue pants, and he's carrying an umbrella. Then we see the daughter is wearing a purple sweater, red pants, and has a suitcase maybe with toys or dolls or something. In addition, next to the family, there is a blue car, and also there is a big house with two tall, beautiful trees. We can see the picture captures the moment when the family is getting ready for a camping night, and we see the father who is busy setting up the tent, and the daughter is helping him with a flashing light. Here the mother is holding the hand of the son to show him the tent, and the son is carrying an umbrella in case of rain. Well, it seems like this family is going to share a great night full of fun, of happiness, and I want to thank you, all of you, for watching me, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.